Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing the recipes of 3 healthy salads which are full of nutrients and high in fiber. Very easy to make. It's wholesome and tasty to eat. So for the corn salad, I have taken around 1 cup of boiled sweet corn. One-fourth cup of diced cucumber, next I'm adding around 2 to 3 tablespoons of finely chopped onion, two to 3 tablespoons of finely chopped tomato. This is 1 green chili. I have de-seeded for less spiciness. So I'm adding that. Give a good mix. So here I'm adding around 2 tablespoons of pomegranate. If you don't have pomegranate, you can also use finely chopped raw mango. So pomegranate or raw mango is optional. Half teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of black salt, or also known as kala namak. 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala. 1/4 teaspoon of dry mango powder. So again, dry mango powder is optional. And 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. And 1/4 teaspoon of lime juice. You can add, if you need more sourness, you can add more. So do a good mix. Adding chopped coriander leaves. So corn salad is ready to serve. You can garnish this with few coriander leaves and peanuts, which gives a good crunch to the salad. Or even instead of peanuts, you can use roasted sesame seeds or roasted pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, melon seeds. So any nuts of your choice. Here I have taken half cup of yellow moong dal, which is also called as moong beans, or de-skinned and split green gram. Okay, so half cup I have taken. I have washed and soaked it for 1 hour. So this is how after soaking it looks. So this is 3/4 cup of cucumber, which is cut into small pieces. So I'm adding that. around 2 to 3 tablespoons of grated carrots. Again, this is optional. Carrots are optional, but it gives a great color to the salad. This is around 3 to 4 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. I'm keeping some for the garnish. And chopped coriander leaves. So adding around half teaspoon of salt and around half teaspoon of lemon juice or lime juice. So now we will temper the salad. So here I have taken around 1 to 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Heat the oil. I'll be adding half to 3/4 teaspoons of mustard seeds. Half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then 2 red chilies. A pinch of asafoetida, also called as hing. Fry it until the mustard seeds starts spluttering. Once it starts spluttering, switch off the heat. So add the tempering on the salad. If you want the salad to be a little bit spicier, you can also add green chilies. So here I have not added green chilies. So if you wish to have the salad spicier, so you can add green chilies. So mix it well. You can also add pomegranates, which gives a nice color to the salad. So yellow moong dal and cucumber salad is ready to serve. So here I have taken cooked quinoa. So how to cook the quinoa? So for every 1 part of uncooked quinoa, you need to add 2 parts of water. So I took around 3/4 cup of raw quinoa. Then I rinsed under running water with the help of a mesh colander. So you need to rinse under the running water for at least 30 seconds. Then drain the water well. Then combine the washed quinoa with the 2 parts of water. So for 3/4 cup, I added around 1.5 cups of water. So you take it in a saucepan, combine the quinoa and water. Then bring the mixture to a boil on medium to high heat. So once it comes to a boil, decrease the heat. So you need to cook it in a simmer So cook the quinoa until all the water are absorbed for it. So it may take around 15 to 20 minutes. So keep checking. Then once the quinoa is cooked, switch off the heat, cover and let the quinoa steam for 5 minutes. So you can see the cooked quinoa will be fluffy, and you can see some white layer around the quinoa. So that tells you that the quinoa is well cooked. So here I have taken 1/3 cup of grated carrot, 1 avocado which are diced into small pieces, and around 1/3 cup of sweet potato, even that is diced into small pieces, and 1/3 cup of steamed corn. So you can take any vegetables of your choice. So I'm adding these vegetables to the quinoa. Combine it well. So to this I'm adding around 1 cup of cooked chickpeas, brown chickpeas. You can add any beans of your choice, so chickpeas or kidney beans or even black beans. So this is around 1 cup boiled brown chickpeas. Again, combine it well. So for the dressing, here I have taken 2 tablespoons of almond butter. You can even use peanut butter. For this I am adding a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of lemon juice or lime juice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. If you want to be spicier, you can add more pepper powder, or even you can add chili powder. And this is 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala. So whisk the ingredients well. So if necessary, you can add extra teaspoon of lime juice or lemon juice. Whisk it well. So add the dressing to the mixture, quinoa mixture. So combine it well. Here I have taken dill leaves. So adding the dill leaves. If you don't have dill leaves, you can replace with the coriander leaves as well. So quinoa salad is ready to serve.
These salads are perfect for all seasons. It can be served as dinner sides or lunch sides, and even enjoyed as full meals on their own. Please do try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.